Vince's Village Cobbler specializes in restoring and transforming luxury shoes, handbags, and fashion accessories. These Christian Louboutin heels were professionally recolored from their original shade to black. The recoloring process involves cleaning, preparing, and re-dyeing the leather surface before restoring the finish and overall appearance of the footwear. A protective sole guard was added after the restoration to help protect the red sole, one of the brand's most recognizable design features. Sole guards help reduce wear, scratches, and abrasions while extending the lifespan of designer footwear. Operating from 2 repair workshops and stores in New York City, the team works to preserve both the function and sentimental value of well-loved items. Alongside traditional restoration, they also carry out full transformations that give older pieces a completely new appearance. This Chanel handbag originally featured yellow patent leather that had discolored after years of use. Rather than attempting to reverse the discoloration, the exterior was completely recolored using a dark brown finish. The transformation gave the bag a refreshed appearance while extending its usability and creating a more uniform finish across the exterior. This Louis Vuitton Speedy bag arrived with severely dried and deteriorated leather throughout the accessory. Even high-quality leather can crack, shrink, and weaken over time due to age, sunlight exposure, and moisture loss. Rather than repairing only the damaged sections, the original leather components were completely replaced while preserving the bag's signature Louis Vuitton details. The restoration introduced bright pink leather throughout the design, creating a dramatic custom look. A matching strip was also installed around the zipper area to maintain functionality while covering damaged areas of the original material. Custom color modifications like this have become a popular option for owners looking to give older luxury items a completely different appearance rather than restoring them to their original condition. Restoration can often be significantly less expensive than replacing a luxury item entirely, with the work combining traditional cobbler techniques and modern restoration methods. This Dior handbag arrived with heavily yellowed and stained patent leather. Patent leather discoloration is a common issue as luxury bags age, and in many cases, the yellowing cannot be fully removed through cleaning alone. Rather than attempting to restore the original color, the bag underwent a complete recoloring using a darker finish to help conceal uneven discoloration and age-related staining. Professional recoloring allows heavily worn luxury items to remain functional while giving them a refreshed appearance. In situations where traditional restoration is no longer practical, specialists will often choose transformation instead. This project turned a heavily aged handbag into a piece ready for everyday use once again. The result shows how restoration can sometimes become reinvention.